Good morning, Team Weather Shield. Jim here. Good to be with you this morning. We're going to continue talking about the core behaviors that relate to the core value of care personally. And this morning, I want to talk about a new core behavior, introduce a new core behavior, extend grace. Extend grace. I want to start by thinking about what grace is, what grace means. Grace comes from the Greek word charis, C-H-R-I-S. The word charis means patience, kindness, goodness. So grace, our word grace, has the connotation of being patient, being kind, being good to someone who doesn't necessarily deserve it. So being good to someone who is undeserving. I have an assignment for you this week that I want you to do. When you go outside, or when you are outside, if you are outside while you're looking at this video, if you're on one of the crews, I want you to just look around at the trees and the colors of the trees. And I want you to look at the sky, just see the nature that is around you. While you're looking at nature, you're also looking at something that is less obvious. What you're looking at is grace. The grace of God upon people like me, people like you, who don't necessarily deserve God's grace. And despite the fact that we can be evil, bad, rebellious people at times, God still rains down His grace upon all of us. So this week's assignment is, I want you to think about the grace that you have received, the unwarranted favor and blessing and goodness of God in your life, in all areas of your life, and think about how you can extend grace to other people, maybe even people who don't deserve it. And then we're going to continue this conversation because there's a lot to unpack here. So next week we'll carry on and we'll think about extending grace. Have a great day.